team, how are you? Happy Friday. We'll get this information out to you. Going into the weekend, boy, what a week we had in the bond market. Rates hit a 6-week low. A pretty quiet, sneaky week. We've made up all of the losses since the Fed meeting last Thursday. Now, keep in mind, that Fed meeting was not based on Kevin Warsh's first meeting. He had a fantastic outing, did really well to calm the markets. However, the dot plot, which predicts what other Fed members are thinking as far as rates go, which he did not participate in, did show that many believe that there is a rate hike in store this year and only one cut next year and one cut the following year, which again, Fed Chair Kevin Warsh did not put any weight into that. In fact, did not even participate. So leave that as it is. Speaking of the Fed, PCE, the Fed's favorite measure of inflation, did come in at a 3-year high. However, the resilient bond market based on oil, based on hopefully a little bit of certainty, and really based on energy prices. Now, of course, there's still some uncertainty, but obviously affordability, with some uncertainty out there, affordability is important. But the uncertainty out there is Strait of Hormuz. Tehran took out a commercial vessel yesterday, so there's still quite a bit up in the air in Iran, which I think has our market in a bit of a pause. It's summertime. There is school out, and a lot of that happens at a bit of a lull. However, lots of properties going under contract this week. We had a few that were above ask list price, and number of different competitive situations. Quite a bit of activity later in the week, although, like I said, earlier and later, the following past week was a bit slower. So it's still active out there. Keep your buyers diligent. These rates coming down will help a lot. I think obviously the opportunity out there will run the numbers on a 2-1 buy down with today's rates and that opportunity versus if rates were lower and they had to go up in price. You're going to come out better every time buying now. So get your clients in touch with us. We'll be able to be your advocate. We think it's a fantastic opportunity, and it very quickly can change. And then, of course, it's a whole different market at that point. So here to support you this week and let us know how we can help. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend. Okay, bye-bye.